I'm looking at you through the glass, don't know how much time has passed.
So here's a lean concept that we're using, which is go to the Gemba and see. So what I'm doing is just videoing Dean and just observing what he does going through the process of carrying out a service on site. So here's one bit we've identified as a little bit of a struggle. So each time he takes a screw out the back of the machine, he's got nowhere to put it. So what he's doing, so he doesn't lose the screws, is he's putting them in the spot where the screwdriver was. So that's quite a cool idea. That means that he doesn't lose the screws sitting on the bench. But if you look at the video, you'll see there's quite a bit of excess motion. Every time he takes a screw out, he takes it and puts it under the bottom tray, which is where the screwdriver was. There's quite a bit of over-processing going on. So we'll just let this video play out and we'll just watch Dean go through the process, and you'll see, sometimes he'll take a couple of screws out, then he'll put them under the tray, then he goes back, grabs another couple of screws, takes them out and puts them away. So this is one area where both Dean and I identified an opportunity for improvement. So watching the video back, we could start to see the struggle, what he would experience when he's on site. So we'll just let this video play and we'll see how we get on.
It's just a different scene. Remember, it's just different from what you've seen. I'm looking at you through the glass, don't know how much time has passed. And all I know is that it feels like forever, but no one ever tells you that forever feels like home, sitting all alone inside your head. 'Cause I'm looking at you through the glass.
So one of the problems that we've got is when we take the screws out of the autoclave, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different styles of screw, and they become a bit anarchy in what they've done. So what we've done is we've just sellotaped a magnet strip on the back of this picture. So we've got the screws where they go, but the magnet's not quite enough chop. So we'll see if we can improve on it, but the concept is there. So we're just running the PDCA cycle. So the first was we had our plan, we've put it into action, we've given it a try, and it's not quite measuring up to our expectations. So what we now need to do is go through that PDCA cycle one more time and reiterate it and see if we can't come up with a better improvement. So we'll be back shortly. Thank you. Cool, so just with things, so the first one, there wasn't enough chop in the magnet. So what we've done is I've just grabbed some small neodymium magnets and just put them on the back, and you'll see now they're holding on there quite securely. So we can put the screws, and we can just, as we're taking them out, we can just drop them there and they're going to the place where they need to go. So what we now need to do is we've run this little experiment. So that's what Lean's all about, is running the experiment, and we've come up with a better improvement. So what we'll do now is we'll take this concept and see if we can't make it a bit better. Laminated this and we've labelled them so we know what the screws are and where they go, and this is to scale. So, and then what we've done is we've just put some magnets, so it's really easy to get all the screws that need to go for the different things, and once they're all on there, they're easily secure, so we can keep them together. Awesome, what a fantastic improvement. So we've got visual controls, we're making the job easier, and we've had some fun doing it.